Snoring means sleepless nights and groggy mornings for nearly 1/3 of us, but we don't have to just lay there and take it.
So 90 million Americans suffer from snoring.
Lori Ledley, owner of Valley Sleep Center, has studied snoring for decades, and for mild to severe primary snoring, she says there are devices to help bring relief. We'll start with the Snore RX, which works by lifting the jaw forward, which helps clear the airway for easier breathing.
This is a device that, is fairly inexpensive, under $100. So if your goal is to reduce your snoring, I definitely think that you could try something like Snore RX.
Lori cautions that this night mouth guard is for people with mild to no sleep apnea, with apnea meaning you stop breathing periodically at night. You can find the Snore RX online. A digital poke in the side is next, the Philips Night Balance.
And it's actually a belt that fits around your chest. And when you're on your back, it detects that and kind of gives you a little buzz, and it causes you to roll on your side.
Lori says this device is great for REM sleep because all of our muscles, including those in our mouth, relax, causing us to snore.
So tongue, soft palate, jaw, everything will just drop back. And that's when we'll see that apnea, occlusion, and worse snoring.
This device is prescription only. See your doctor for details. Finally, for people with mild to severe sleep apnea, the Inspire Implant Outpatient Procedure.
It actually stimulates the back of the tongue, soft palate, moving all that tissue out of the way.
This allows you to breathe freely at night. The device is prescription only and is covered by insurance. Lori says severe snoring or morning fatigue may warrant a sleep study.
If your partner is complaining about you snoring, if they notice that you stop breathing while you're snoring, you definitely need to see a sleep specialist.
Catching some restful Z's while cutting down on the noise with Snoring Gadgets.